So here's the grow bed. You can see my cucumbers are looking good. Got quite a few flowers that are coming along. This is about the tail end of my romaine lettuce. Man, it looks good, and I'll tell you, it really, really, really tastes good. Here's the fish tank. And there's my calicos and my darters. You know, as always, they're very happy and they want me to believe that they're starving. So we'll go ahead and give them a little feed tonight. It's really important to remember to keep a lid on your fish when you're in a shallow container like this. My camera keeps flopping here. They will jump out. We'll give them a little feed. I gotta tell you, these fish are just gorgeous. I certainly love my piranha. And I've loved my community fish. But man, these guys, they really got great personalities. And they just look forward to seeing me every night and every morning. You can see the water flowing back in from the sump tank. That line from the sump tank starts at the return right here. Right in here, we have a solid lift overflow. The water flow over drains, or drains over, through that line and then into this grow bed. And there's your water return. It's a pretty good looking garden for just a hobby system. I hope the video has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll do what I can to help. I wish you guys the best of luck. This is Paul, also known as Old Shovelhead. See ya!